outside today, guys, is really foggy, which means it's the perfect time to go fall fishing. Because when it's foggy, it means it's not windy and the temperature is going to be mild. Now, one thing that's going against us today is the tide. So the tide was pretty early this morning, and I'm not I just can't get myself to fish early. But low tide is, I think, around 1:45, and it's 10 right now. So yeah, it's in high tide's gonna be, next high tide's gonna be sometime around 5 or 6. So I'm definitely missing the high tide, and I always do well at the deep water channel during the high tide, and not so much on low tide. So this could be a skunk day, but let's see. If you're watching this video, it means it wasn't a skunk day. Hopefully it's not a dink day. So if it's a dink day, I may or may not publish it.
Finish drink wet poop.
Hey, what's up, man?
What's going on, man? I've been watching you all the time.
Oh, who are you?
Oh, wow, man.
Oh, nice to meet you, man.
Nice to meet you too, man.
Cool, I'm glad. Yeah, let's see. How'd you guys do?
No, we're just going for bluegills.
Okay.
Bluegills and crappies only, but
Yeah.
very slow.
Oh, yeah.
Very slow. Yeah, so I was like, nothing. So we left.
You know, you gotta go out there, you know.
There's a lot of kayakers out there. I think you'll be good at your secret spot over there.
Yeah. I'm gonna give it a shot. I caught some pretty nice crappies last time.
All right, have fun, man.
All right, thank you.
Yeah.
You don't mind to be on the video, do you?
No, I don't.
All right, man, you're on it.
Oh, sweet. All
All
right.
right.
You know, one thing that I'm really loving about having the channel is that more recently I find people who have been watching my videos and talking to me pretty cool. So just want to let you know that's one of the positives of doing a channel. It's hard, man. It's not easy work. Editing is probably the most time-consuming part of this whole thing, but it makes it worth it when you run into people who are enjoying your content like this.
Holy cow. Jeez. Take it easy, dude. You're not a very big fish, but boy, you're fighting like one. First fish of the day on the chicken. Another one. Please let this be a crappie. Nope, not the bass. Oh, come on, dude. You got my face wet. Five. Do I have fish? Wait, I have a fish? I have a fish. I had no idea I had a fish. Oh dude, what the hell is this? This looks big. It was weird because it didn't. It didn't. This thing looks big. This might be a carp. Holy shit. What is this? Holy sh! Is this another big steelhead? Or is it a salmon? I didn't even... I didn't feel it bite. I was... This might be a dying salmon, to be honest. This thing looks huge. It's a salmon, I think. I think this is the salmon. There's no salmon season, so gotta really be careful about releasing this guy. Oh yeah, it's a... Oh dude, it's a salmon! Salmon on the freaking chicken. Oh my God. I thought these guys would all be dead by now. You really have to be careful. We may have to release him actually in the water, I think, guys. We can't bring him on the boat unless we have to get him off. Are you guys seeing this? Are you guys seeing this? This is a light rod, guys. 4-pound leader with a 10-pound braid main. I may have to net this guy and get him on the boat to get him off. Holy shimole. Look at this salmon, guys. Holy cow, BFS on the electric chicken. On the Slabalicious electric chicken. I'm telling you guys, this thing catches everything. Guys, look at this guy. Look at this thing. Ooh, Jesus. That's a freaking huge fish, guys. Woo! Oh, I'm loving this fight, dude. This is epic. This is better than a freaking striper. I can't even measure this guy, though. I can't weigh him. I got a salmon on, man. On BFS.
Oh, dude, Pag.
Oh, hey, Pag. Dude, I have a salmon on right now. I've been fighting it for like 10 minutes. I have BFS gear on. I caught it on the chicken.
On the chicken?
Yeah!
Dude.
This thing is freaking huge. And I thought that these guys would all be dead by now, but man, this thing is still freaking healthy.
No way.
On the chicken.
That's crazy.
This thing catches everything.
I need to get, I know last week,
Look at this thing, man.
steelhead.
Hey, last week I got a steelhead. This week, a freaking salmon. And it's on the mouth, so he went for it. Here's Pag right there. Another tuber. Go check out his channel, guys.
Drink.
So Pag tried to help me land this fish here. He also had a bigger net with a longer handle. So really hoping we could land it with his assistance. But man, this fish just was not giving up. And I felt bad for him. So I told him to just go. Because he was losing daylight.
Whew, man, it's getting tiring. Just when I think I'm gaining, he takes it all back. I really want to land this guy because, you know, it's BFS fishing, man. Come on. Just give up, dude. It'll let you go. Come on. Oh, come on, dude. I wanted an epic fight, but this is getting a little too ridiculous. I don't think I'm gonna land this guy. Just, I'm running out of patience. What's gonna fail first? The hook? The knot? The rod? Or the lines? Or me? It's probably gonna be me. I don't think I'm gonna land this, guys. I'm sorry. I know you guys have been watching this for like, I don't know, 30 minutes. But I'm running out of patience. Man, holy schmoly. That's gonna make good content. Thanks for putting on the show, dude. You're probably gonna get away here because, well, you're gonna get away one way or the other, but we may not be able to land you. Oh. Alright, sorry, dude, but sorry, guys. I'm probably gonna lose this fish. I'm just running out of patience. This guy has so much more fight left in him. This guy's outlasting me. Shame if I'd had to break this line, man. Oh, man. I think my drag is starting to wig out. Oh no, it's still good. Oh. Alright, we're gonna have to start forcing this. Thing about one-handed rods for BFS, guys, is a lot of bracing. Supporting this thing on your wrist. This thing is freaking taking me everywhere. Jesus. Just when I'm gaining on him, he pulls some more. gonna have to tighten this drag a little bit because I need to put some. I need to get him to start tiring. This is just taking way too long. Ooh, I'm hearing the pinking of the line. Yeah. That's a lot of stress. What's gonna give here? Right now it seems like it's me. Definitely not the salmon. Gotta make them work for this. Gotta make them burn more energy because it's getting ridiculously late. Nope, you're not getting away that way. Are you finally getting tired, dude? Come on. Dude, when I saw this guy's fin, I knew it was a freaking big one. Look at him. Freaking. That little boil was from him flicking his tail. Come on. No, you're not going to. You're gonna get tired. You're coming back in. I'm gonna tighten this drag a little more even. You're gonna have to work. Look at those boils, man. That's from him flicking his tail. Alright, this is probably going to be tightening the drag a little bit more. Dude, this fish is just taking me for a walk. Trying to drag even more. Come on, man. There he is. Oh, that's a good look. That's a good look right there. No more, no more, no more. No more, no more. No more. I ain't giving ground. I ain't giving ground no more. Nope. Nope. We're either gonna break or we're gonna land you. Something's gonna break or you're gonna get landed. Because this has gone on way too long. That's a big fish, guys. I gotta do this without somehow. Nope, nope, you're coming back. You're coming back up. Nope, 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 nope. Nope, 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 nope. Something's gonna break, or you're gonna get landed. That's all there is to it. Because I'm getting tired. Frankly, I'm losing my patience. Oh, almost had him in the net. I think I am gaining on him though. Come back here. Come back here. Look at that, guys. You guys can see that chicken in its mouth, right? You guys can see the chicken in its mouth, right? Oh my god. Alright, gotta get this guy. See the chicken? Oh, sorry. Sorry, guy. Sorry. Ouch. Oh, that's some sharp teeth. Sorry. I'm trying to go as fast as I can. Oh shoot, he's got eggs. She's got eggs. Sorry. Alright, come on. Come on, let's get you in the water. Oh. Oh my god. I landed her. Woo. Oh. All right, I know we're gonna get comments about me putting it on the boat, but that was the only way I could freaking unhook her.
Being on a yak and using a rod with zero power, there's no way I was going to keep that fish still to unhook it while I was still in the water. Wow, guys, what a way to close the year. That was a long one, so thank you all for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.